So this project is going to involve something really special. It's not a computer, it's a toy of sorts, and it involves a lot of 3D printing. So this is my son's little cart or wagon, which he learns how to walk with, and I thought it was a bit boring. It didn't have anything glowing or 3D printed on it. So let's fix that. These are all the 3D printed parts that will go onto this to make it a little bit cooler and befitting a kid in this day and age of 3D printing and electronics. First up, we have the headlights. This is just the empty one without the LEDs and the sort of lens thing I printed for it. This one will go like so. There's another one matching the other side. Put that on as well, just to give you a look. Then of course we have lights for the rear as well. And this one will involve both a brake light and a orange like position and like blinker light. So this one goes on like that. The other one. Then we have some registration plates that will go on like that and on the front as well. And to control all the lights we will use an Arduino Nano, which will be housed in a special little casing. Looks like this. So let's see if the camera will focus this time. There we go. So in that little pocket there, the Nano will be put in and pressure fits, and then all the cables will go through and down through the bottom. And this one will be positioned at the rear, like so. And with a special little casing that goes on top of this with a button that he can press so the lights go on for around like 20-30 seconds, and then they will automatically shut off. And then all the wiring and stuff will be hidden underneath. So let's turn this one over and check that out. So underneath, all the cables will be passed through holes, which I will drill and cut through this bottom plate, and they will be run in these channels so he can't get at them. And then everything will go to this little box which will house the power bank, and that one will be positioned at the bottom as well. With no further ado, let's start drilling and fitting all the components. There we go. The wiring's all done. I forgot to film it, I'm afraid. But it's basically a light strip but cut into different pieces and then wired with wires together in series so that the Arduino knows, you just program it to know how many LEDs are on there, and it just senses like a light strip. So it's basically the LEDs are put into the light diffusers and the cables are passed through the bottom and in these cable channels, and all the way in a series, as I said, down to the bottom here, which then goes up to the control unit at the top, which we're going to look at in a minute, which houses the Arduino. This is the holder for the power bank itself. It holds a power bank of 5,000 milliamp hours, which should be more than enough to just power 6 LEDs. Of course, I can take it out, recharge it, put it back, and it will last a long time. So let's take a look at the control box next. This is control box. It houses the Arduino and the power button for the whole system. Right now, it's, as you can see, the LEDs are off, and there's actually an LED in the button, so it's easier to see from a kid and notice it and press it. And when you do press it, this happens. The LEDs in the rear lights up, as you can see, in red and orange, or orange yellowish. And then you have the front lights up in white, and these will stay on for a minute, and after that they will automatically shut off until you press the power button again. So what do you guys think? Do you like this kind of project, or do you just want to see computer modifications? Just let me know in the comments. I'm pretty pleased with this project and I hope my kid likes it. Until next time, see ya.